Hello, good morning once again, and welcome to another tutorial from Web Dev channel Level Base. Once again, I am Jeffrey, and as you can see, it's 1:43 a.m. and I'm currently working whilst watching Kurokuro Basket. Okay, so let's go. So this we have uh, uh, project that I'm currently working on. So it's a car rental web application, and this is it. So it's still in development. I'm not done, but then most of the logic has already been implemented. So this is it. These are all dummy data. So we go to the user's profile. We check here. So as you can see, I'm a big Porter fan. So we get uh, a record right here, record of the user's reservations. Okay, so we can filter the reservation through whether it was cancelled, and then we clear the cancel and then picked up, and then yeah, then we can pick I think what was the name from is the same user, so that's no point. So and filter through the user, the vehicle ID. So three vehicle ID is this Mercedes Benz, and then I think we don't have a lot of vehicles here. So two is this vehicle, one. We don't have one here, so I think it's four. Yeah, this is what. So this topic is about. Let me show you. So I am currently writing a blog. I'm about to publish it. It's done. So how to build a custom Eloquent builder class in Laravel. This is what this video is about. So let's take a look at it. So this is our Laravel, our component expense. We have search, and this is our query string. So on mount, we are assigning the native value of this the user ID with this, and then here on our render we are building an eloquent model here. So eloquent query here, sorry. So this is it. So let's go. So normally a basic level of an eloquent query here is this, and this works actually. It actually works. So booking and then call query. That's how we start an eloquent query, and then we add a where constraint. So I'm adding this where constraint. So user ID, we are getting the bookings that belongs to the current user, and then we are adding the one constraint, the conditional one constraint, and that is if cancelled is not null, then we fire this condition. So the cancelled here, and I'm using the filter back, this property cancelled, and then validate fully. The reason why I'm actually using this is I'm using a checkbox to actually filter it. And the thing with checkboxes, they provide a true or false value depending on their active and dev states. But sometimes you can encounter problems where the value of the checkbox, whether it's true or false, actually receive it as a string. So I'm using this filter bar here to actually convert whatever value I get into a boolean. So this is what I'm doing here. So and then I'm changing another where conditional when method here. So if this property picked up is not null, then we fire this to, and then finally I add this search. So if search is not null, I fire this query here, this function here, and then I fire it by 5. So I'm actually going to increase this to like 10. Probably yes. 10 should be. I don't think so. 10 will not be enough. I normally don't like my users to scroll, so I think I would decrease the distance here, the margin here a bit, and then I would add two more columns here, so I can now add my pagination. So this is uh, the initial form. So if we were to go through this, this wouldn't be an efficient method because anytime we wanted to use this queries, we would have to actually write everything again. So the best thing to do would be using scope queries. Alright, and this is it. This is scope query here. Okay, so this also works. It works exactly like this. So with Laravel method, you just need to add a scope to the name cancel, and then this is it. So it's exactly the exact same thing. Alright. So when we do this for small applications, it's not a bad idea. It's actually cool. But with a much larger and complex application, our model, our booking model looks complicated because we don't just have this scope queries here. We have relationships here, and we will have more as I actually continue building it, finishing the start. So let me clear this out. So the best thing that most senior developers go for is to build a custom uh, Eloquent builder class. And when you are building an Eloquent builder class, you just need to build a class inside the app to make sure that it can your autoloader can actually locate it. So I usually create a new folder whether I'm building traits or anything else. I just create a new folder. So this is my builders and this is my booking class. So as you can see, this is it. So bookings builder extends to builder. This is highly relevant when you need to use you need to use it here. You need to call it here with builder event, illuminate here, and then your namespace. I mean, you should already know this. And then we can just go back to calling our scope queries here. Yes, so this is a simple. Yeah, oh yeah. Before I forget, after doing that, you need to implement this method here, new element builder here, and then you need to return the new builder here. All right, and this, and then you can go ahead and then call uh, your queries here. This is it. It's simple. So if we were to go back cancelled, we will immediately filter it. If we add this, we won't get any data, obviously. So picked up, if we were to do this, this has already been picked up. So there will be more filters here like completed, which means the user has actually completed his day with us. So this has been rented out for 3 days. So 3 days, this is it. So this is it. Let me show you guys an example of a reservation. So I already have this book. I have the Mercedes booked. I have the camp booked. So this is it. So Ron Weasley. So as you can see, I'm a Potterhead too. So this is it. Okay. So if I were to let me just set this to a back date, and then okay, fifth today. Let me do it now. So you can see you get this notice here 8 days for 8,000 minus lease. And if I were to submit it, make a reservation, and then I'll get an error booking may not be less than current date. So as usual, when you are making reservation, you need to put this checks here. So if I were to change this to fit actually, now to change this to let's say no, let me do the 15 and I were to hit this, I'll also run into an error. Hit dates, the pickup date should be before the return date. So yeah, so this is it, a short video on how to build um, Eloquent builder class. That's it. So thank you for watching and be sure to read my blog post on dev on the dev channel or on my showcase channel. I'll add links to the description for you to check out my page, my blogs and my GitHub. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright, goodbye.